aware ka ba na meron pong mga translation sa Old Testament like the Septuagint before the New Testament, before the Roman Catholic Church? Aware ka ba o hindi?
Sinasabi ko na kanina na it is referring to the Old Testament. So ang topic natin, topic natin is whole Bible. It is part of the Bible.
Okay.
We focus on the compilation, not to the translation. So who compiles the Bible? We never, the central idea is all about compilation, not translation. So it is a side topic.
All right. So sa ato pa, okay. Kung walay labot ang translation now, I want to ask you, mahimo bang maka-translate kung walay gi-compile nga Old Testament? Mahimo dili?
Unang-una, yung topic natin is compilation, not translation.
Yes.
So,
No. Mr. Moderator.
Nasasagot pa ako, Mr. Moderator.
Objection. Wala pong
Sige,
categorical
objection.
lang nadinig ko. Okay. So, my question is simple na dahil hindi raw translation, ang tanong ko kasi, because the point is, Mr. Moderator, meron ng Old Testament na parte ng Biblia. So, I want to ask, kung pwede bang maka-translate kung walang kinompile yung mga nag-translate ng Septuagint? That is still compilation. So, can they translate without the books being compiled already? Yes or no?
Objection, Mr. Moderator. Hindi, at ang central idea is compilation, not translation. So, binabasa ko ang kahulugan ng compilation. It is gathering of existing books. The one who gathers. Yun po ang topic natin. Focus ka at huwag ka magawa ng ibang topic.
The moderator would like to clarify. The question is, can there be a translation without a compilation? Posible ba nga dunay pag-translate, paghubad sa pinulungan kung wala pa'y kompilasyon? And take note, kining compilation is a condition precedent. Mao na una, misunod ang translation. So mauna gyud ang compilation, usa pa ang translation. That is a condition precedent. The question should be answered. Mahimo ba
Good.
nga dunay translation kung walay compilation? In other words, compilation gayud maoy mouna.
Salamat.
Then translation
Salamat.
shall follow. Proceed.
Yes, Mr. Moderator. Nag-compile na nga eh. No? So, after compilation ni Saint Jerome, the Latin official sa 405 by Pope Damaso.
Objection po, Mr. Moderator.
Official
Objection, Mr.
translation.
Moderator.
Sabi niya translation.
The moderator would like to give chance for the speaker to proceed with the answer. Any objection, you can do it by a follow-up question. Proceed with the answer.
Salamat, Mr. Moderator. So, in-establish ko na ang nag-compile ay ang Catholic Church. Pero pupunta siya sa translation eh. Pero susundan natin. Sino ang nag-official translate? Hindi din protestante. Ang isa sa mga pari sa Katoliko, Latin Bible of the Roman Catholic Church, the Vulgate, or the Common Bible as it is known, which has been approved and protected by popes and church councils down to this day. Saint Jerome, the man who would make this Latin Bible. Kisam ni si Saint Jerome, the father of the Roman Catholic Church. So, hindi pa rin protestante ang nag-translate.
Mr. Moderator, pwede na noon mo object na humanan sa tubag.
You can, if you do not like the answer, reserve it during the rebuttal.
Okay, Mr. Moderator.
So with the researchers, reserve it with the rebuttal. Proceed with the question.
Objection, Mr. Moderator, ha? Wala ko nakauyon siyang pangutana. Ingon man ang atong rules to bago ng pangutana.
Tubag.
Ang pangutana nako, Mr. Moderator, simple. Nga, una man ang compilation. Ang akong pangutana man good Old Testament, niabot bagod siyang Jerome. Kana man good si Jerome, dito naman na sa later. Ang akong pangutana, Mr. Moderator, nagpunting ni sa Septuagint. Mao bitaw nga Old Testament atong isgutan. So akong pangutana balikon, kaya di man ka magpa-object, akong balikong pangutana, Sir, Padre Darwin. Ingon ang moderator ang pag-compile na una kaysa translation. So ang akong pangutana manggod nga nabitin ta, pwede bang i-translate ang wa pa na-compile nga Old Testament? Pwede o dili?
Unang-una, objection, Mr. Moderator, nag-focus siya sa Old Testament lang. Alam ko naman ang sagot niyan. Pero hindi ang topic eh. Old and New Testament compilation. Not the compilation of the Old Testament.
Ano? Is it
Ang
objection?
topic natin, balik
Objection.
tayo sa topic, Mr. Moderator.
Objection yun, Mr. Moderator?
Patunayan. Bago,
Objection
tapos
yun?
muna
Okay.
ako. Natapos.
Objection
The-
yun?
Objection is, muna ako.
Sagot to?
Ruling.
Objection.
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 The question is it possible to translate without having compiled the books?
Yes.
Posible ba nga ma-translate ang maong balaang kasulatan nga wala pa kini ma-compile? So, you may answer yes or no
Yun.
and justify the answer.
Nag-objection ako, Mr. Moderator. Ang topic natin, balik tayo sa topic para hindi tayo maligaw. Ang topic natin, patunayan ko na Iglesia Katolika ang nag-compile sa buong Biblia.
Okay.
He
Oo,
is referring to
counter-objection, Mr.
the
Okay.
Old Testament. Hindi ko naman pinatunayan na ang nag-compile sa Old Testament ang Iglesia Katolika.
Correct.
Ano ang
Counter-
kahulugan dito?
counter-objection.
Okay,
Tapusin
okay,
mo na
okay.
ako, Mr. Moderator.
Okay.
Ito, the Bible, the sacred scriptures of the Hebrews, Old Testament, and Christian combined into one book. It is called the Bible. So ang pinatunayan ko dito, Mr. Moderator, before you give ruling, pinatunayan ko ang nag-compile sa buong Biblia. Hindi ko pinatunayan ang nag-compile sa Old Testament ang Roman Catholic Church.
Roll pa ka.
Buong
Okay.
Biblia.
Roll na ka o counter pa ko.
Before,
Okay, sige.
take note in the ruling for a debate. Both parties dunay the main issue of the debate. O dunay sub-issues. So the main, please listen. There can be no solution if we will never respect and listen.
Amen, amen.
The main issue of the debate, pamatudan nga ang simbahan katoliko o Roman Catholic Church maoy nag-compile sa tibuok Biblia. The verb, ang action word which is the main subject of the debate is compilation. Compilation. Now, ang pangutana sa PICA site is translation. Ang main issue is compilation, not translation. If you want for a debate on translation, you can set another debate on translation of the Bible.